Hello Harpers Ferry Middle families. This is Mr. Vandell. I hope you've had a relaxing summer. I need to make you aware of a situation with our building. As you may have heard, a ceiling in a computer lab in the historic section of the building collapsed over the summer. We worked with a licensed structural engineer who discovered a need to do structural renovations to the HVAC and other supporting units in this part of our old section. These renovations must be made before students and staff can safely return to those classrooms. We expect that work to continue into January. In order for us to keep our students and staff together with the least amount of disruption, we will be temporarily placing portable classrooms in our parking lot for the first semester of school. We anticipate having those units available by the second week of September, which means we will need to modify our schedule during the first 3 weeks of school to give all of our students access to a safe learning environment while staying on the same schedule and campus. To make that happen, each grade level will take a turn going remote for 1 week, starting with the 8th grade, our most experienced students. With that in mind, all students will report to school on the first day, August 22nd, to make sure they have the tools and resources they need to be successful. We will have a community meeting in our gym at 6 p.m. on Tuesday, August 9th. I invite you to come and participate. We will also have regular updates on our website at jcswv.org/HFMS and through the JCSWV app. I know this is not an ideal situation, but this solution will be the least disruptive for our students and staff as they work to start the school year on the right foot. Thank you for your patience and support as we work to stay together safely on our campus.